Good chat communication is easier said than done, especially as it takes a lot of time and energy. But that's exactly what we're about to change. Superchat AI turns your employees into a one-man army for the inbox, making it easier than ever to chat with your target audience. With Superchat AI, we bring the power of artificial intelligence right to your chat window. Now you can automatically generate and edit your text messages for WhatsApp Business, email, and more, without leaving the chat and with lots of useful, ready-to-use comments. Say goodbye to long response times, misspellings, misunderstandings, and language barriers. With Superchat AI, you will raise the bar on chat communication and make your audience feel special. Let's take a quick look at what you and your team can do with Superchat AI. Stay tuned to the end and I'll show you a little extra feature that you're guaranteed to love. Superchat AI can be found in Superchat's universal inbox, where you can manage WhatsApp Business in a GDPR compliant way, in team and with your other communication channels. The feature works in any chat. You can launch it with a single click and get started right away. And here we already see that you can have text messages generated to your specifications. And then you can do various things with this text or your own draft. You can improve your writing style, correct spelling, shorten and lengthen the text, change your sound, simplify your language, and translate your message into different languages. All useful tools to help you communicate faster and better. Let's look at them one by one. Having messages generated is great when you're in a hurry or just don't feel like writing them out. For example, if I'm asked what the benefits of a WhatsApp newsletter are, I can just have the Superchat AI list them for me. I just give it a few instructions on how to phrase the message. In this case, a description of the situation and the length. There it is, and I'm immediately happy with the draft. The next step is improving your writing style. Let's see if I can make the message sound more beautiful and convincing. I give it a try and some sentences have really changed. I write a short greeting to give my message a personal touch. And because I actually misspelled best regards, I can show you the correct spelling feature that you can use to appear mistake-free and professional in front of your target audience. I let the AI run through my entire message and I would get an A+ in dictation. If you feel that your message is too short or too long for the situation, you can use the next two features to quickly adjust the length. For example, shorter messages are ideal for quick WhatsApp interaction like this one. Let's give it a try. For emails and more detailed conversations, however, you may want to conjure up longer text from your messages. And as you can see, this is possible as well. To help you successfully build a relationship with your target audience, we also offer sound customization. With 5 sound types: professional, friendly, informal, self-confident, and direct, you can easily tailor your message to different customer profiles. In my case, I find the informal sound type most appropriate when advising customers. Finally, you can simplify your language to ensure that your message is really understood and there are no misunderstandings. Very useful for complex topics and conversations with completely new contexts. And indeed, the message is now very much to the point. You can achieve the highest level of professional chat communication with Superchat AI's translation feature, which makes internationalization a breeze. For the launch, we start with 5 languages: English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. Let's say my contact speaks Spanish. I can talk to him in his native language and give him a very special customer experience. For our example, however, I will stick to English and send the optimized message with a single click. As you can see, Superchat AI is a comprehensive and powerful toolkit for your chat communication. Hopefully, this overview of the many features will help you and your team to quickly set up new workflows and to communicate even faster and better from now on. And the contact has already replied to me with a voice message. I can now show you the promised extra of Superchat AI, the automatic transcription of voice messages. It's cool that I don't have to listen to it from start to finish. I can see now right away that the customer is still interested and I can act quickly. I send a message saying that my contact can try Superchat for free or book a free product demo. If you haven't joined Superchat yet, you can do so now using the links below the video. I would be delighted if you could leave a like and a subscription, and please let us know what topics you'd like to see from now on. See you next time.